Hey guys, so today we're unboxing Allure Beauty Box. I really hope that this is way better than last month because I was so angry last month. Again, this took forever to get to me because it's the... So I have to look at my calendar. The 26th that I'm filming this, and I just literally got it today. I'm gonna open it up. I actually have not looked in this box yet. That's amazing because I usually always open before I get to film. Alright, so of course it comes with our little card here that tells us everything that's inside here. We'll get to that later. They gave us a $25, I'm not sure if it's like you get this gift because you have Allure Beauty, or you just get $25 off Gorjana.com. And it looks like it's just like a little jewelry company. So I wonder if we got something from them in this bag. So we got black this time. It's way better than that ugly red, to be honest. This bag does not seem to be broken, so that's a plus. Okay, so the first thing in here is Mamonde, I can't read backwards right now. Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam Flower Rose. An oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. Okay, so makeup cleaner. Not mad at it, not mad at it. Now I got the Model Company Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Mykonos. I can't, do you see that? Can't get this open. And then I almost dropped it on the floor. Not really colors I wear. But it's, the bottom one is really glittery. It's pretty. I think I might regift this though. So I'm not gonna swatch it. Brushes. I love getting brushes. This is Triad Eye. Oh, it's Moda Brushes. I think I have only one. And you know that that's their brushes because it has this funky feeling to it. No, I'm just kidding. Not really sure what to do with this brush, but it's a brush. I ain't complaining. Next thing in here. Oh, it's the same brand. But it is a Flower Lab Essence Mask, also rose. So there's that. I do like face masks. Like, they're really annoying because they like fall off your face and now you feel like you have to sit like this the whole time. But when I put on other masks, they burn my skin, like clay masks or mud masks. I'm like, get it off. My friend once told me that that means it's working, but I don't like feeling my face burn for 15 minutes. Alrighty. Looks like we have a lip gloss. Must Have Pink High Shine Liquid Lipstick. Oh, by Mally. And we got something by this brand last month. Yes, the Shadow Stick. It looks like it has sparkles in it. Like pink with gold sparkles. Oh, that's so weird. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like hairs, like it's a brush. Like an I've never seen a wand that's like actually a brush. Weird. Put that in the drawer. We'll have to try that one day. Two more things in here. Okay, so the first one I got is the Brow Gal by Tanya Brooks, and just get that out. It's in the shade Brown, which is nice because when we got this in a BoxyCharm last summer, and I got blonde, and I was like, ugh. So I put it up for sale on my local Facebook page. And this girl messaged me and she's like, hey, I got brown and I have blonde hair. You want to just meet up and trade? And I was like, sure, why not? So I think this is the exact one I have. Yes. So I can definitely use this. I'll wait till I use it my other one first. Oh shoot, sorry, that was really loud. It's really good for like more natural days where you just want to put like a little bit of makeup on and look a little better than normal. That's what I use it for at least. And the last thing in here was the Allure Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. So I have a Allure Beauty mascara, and it is actually this one I got in BoxyCharm. It's called the Unlashed Mascara. And it's like my second favorite mascara right now, so I'd say it's pretty good. But that one says volume and curl. This one has volume and length, and I like lengthening mascaras, so I might even like this one better. Super excited to try that, but I have so many mascaras, it's gonna take me a while to get to this one. Yeah, that was everything that was in this bag. I don't know what I'm going to do with that bag yet. So, mascara, $26. They also have a promo code for 20% off. The Model Company Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, $15, and they also have a code for 30% off. The eye brush, sorry, my hair's in my face. The eye brush is only $5. That's actually surprising because I didn't realize these brushes were so affordable. I have to look into that. And you also get 20% off code for that too. Wow. So this brand, the Mamonde, this is $21. I'm guessing for the full size because I don't know if you remember last month. I added everything up and looked up the exact like ounces and everything. And most of the stuff in there was not full size. So that's probably $21 for the full size. I'm guessing this is a travel size. They also have 30% off your order for that one. The face mask is $7. It's kind of an expensive face mask. The Brow Gal is $22, and they also have a code for that, 10% off. Oh, okay, and then it says that we either got a lip pencil, a liquid liner, sorry, they named it something weird and I was confused, by Deuce. The lip pencil was from Loretzi. Never even heard of Loretzi. Or we get the High Shine liquid lipstick, which is $20. And yeah, there's no code for that one though. Okay, I'm not mad at this box. I'm actually pretty impressed for like a full-size mascara. I don't know, yeah. I think this was a pretty good box actually. Especially since I'm only getting it for $10. If you don't know why I'm only getting it for $10, check out the January video and you'll hear the scandal. I'll go ahead and post these coupon codes, promo codes, whatever they're called, in the description box, and I'll try to find all the full-size items and tell you what's full size and add it all up and let you guys know. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!